It sure is nice to have a nice cold glass of lemonade on a hot day. Well, hello Broncos. It is so good to see you again. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to your very first day of online learning. You are going to do great. We're so excited for you. A couple of things that I want to tell you before we get started. I want to tell you first and foremost, we miss you guys. We miss seeing all of your happy smiling faces every day in school. And this is going to be our new normal. We miss seeing you guys in person. Hopefully you miss us too a little bit. But this is how it's going to be for a little while. So we're going to make the best of this situation. We're going to stay positive, and we're going to turn lemons into lemonade. One thing, of course, I want to remind you to do is read, read, read. Keep reading every day. And here's the cool thing. Because we're all stuck at home, you can't get to school to take quizzes. You can take Reading Counts quizzes at home. That's right. You can take your Reading Counts quizzes at home. So please keep doing that. I know since we're talking about Reading Counts, you're probably wondering a little bit. My 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, you're wondering about, what about Aquapalooza? Are we still going to have that? My friends, I promise you, we are going to have Aquapalooza. I don't know when. It might be over the summer. It might be at the beginning of next school year on a weekend, so that if you're in 6th grade, you could still come. We are going to make it happen. I don't know when it's going to be. We don't know how long we're going to be out of school. I don't know. I am learning right along with you guys, but I do promise that we will make Aquapalooza happen. So keep taking those quizzes and keep reading. And again, because attitude is everything, stay positive. We're going to do some fun things today, starting with our weird animal. Today's weird animal is the red-lipped batfish. It comes from the Galapagos Islands. Galapagos, that's fun to say, which is right off the coast of South America. It is to the west of South America. Wouldn't that be a fun fish to see? And now, if you have a brother or a sister, I want you to make sure you're watching right now with them. If they're not with you, go and get them and pause this, get together. We're gonna do a little math challenge. See who is faster. We're going to do multiplication. We're going to start easy and we're going to get a little bit harder. Here we go. 2 times 6. I hope you said 12. The answer is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Our next one is 2 times 2. 4. I hope you said 4. That's pretty simple. And now we're getting a little bit harder. 3 times 7 is 21, of course. 2 more left. I wonder who's winning. 6 times 6 is 36. I hope you got that right. And finally, 4 times 12 equals 48. 48, isn't that great? And now, we're gonna go to Coach. Coach has prepared a little lesson for us about juggling. So go ahead, Coach.
Hey, good morning, Osteen boys and girls. This is Coach Prosser coming to you from my backyard. Each week we're going to be sending home a quick lesson that maybe you can do at home. This week I'm going to concentrate on juggling skills. Juggling skills are great because they help you with hand-eye coordination, throwing, and catching. I like to use socks. My wife does not let me throw balls in the house, so I like to ball up my socks. I use 2 socks to make 1 ball. Right now I have a blue ball in my right hand. This is my dominant hand. I always start juggling with my dominant hand. I'll throw the ball up and I'll catch it with my opposite hand, with my left hand. I always watch up in this area to make sure I know where the ball is going. So as I'm juggling, I'm watching the ball. My brain knows where my hands are and my eyes know where the ball is. They work together to help me catch the ball. I usually try to throw and catch at least 10 times back and forth. If I make a mistake or miss, I add a fitness component in. One thing I like to do is if I miss, I make myself do 5 jumping jacks, or 5 push-ups, or 5 sit-ups, or you could rotate. For example, if I missed, 5 jumping jacks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's try again. Now, as you move on, you can go to a second ball. With 2 balls, some people like to juggle doing a shuffle, where you're throwing with your dominant hand and then shuffling the ball from your non-dominant hand, which is my left hand, back to my right hand. The way I like to do it, though, is using the throw, catch method. Throw, catch method allows me to add more balls later on. If I do the shuffle method, 2 balls is about as many as I can do. So I go throw, catch. I'm throwing and catching almost simultaneously with my left hand. Throw, catch. Catching both balls. Again, I'm looking in this area. I can't look at my hands or I'd lose one of the balls. Throw, catch. Later on, I try to add a third ball by using pinchy fingers. I hold the first ball with 2 fingers, my forefinger, my thumb, second ball with 3 fingers, and the third ball in my opposite hand. Again, I go throw, catch. As I get better, I can go throw, catch, and repeat that pattern. If I drop, there I am, back to my jumping jacks. 3, 4, 5. I'm back. One last try. Pinchy fingers, 3 fingers, opposite hand. Throw, catch. And before you know it, you could be juggling too.